It's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Sureshkumar. Mr. Sureshkumar leads Controls Fulfilment Division at Trane Technologies, overseeing operations in India and SAARC region. With over 2 decades of experience within the organization, he manages a team of 60 plus skilled engineering professionals. Under his guidance, the team is responsible for driving BMS and integrated building management systems, project execution for Trane Technologies business across India and SAARC market. He has played a key role in completion of 400 plus IBMS projects spanning across diverse sectors such as hospitality, information technology, and pharmaceuticals. Prior to joining Trane Technologies, he served as a project manager at Siemens Ltd. Mr. Sureshkumar holds a BS degree in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from BITS Pilani. Today, Mr. Sureshkumar will briefly overview us about energy efficiency, remote monitoring and control, and cost saving. So without further delay, please join me in welcoming Mr. Sureshkumar.
Discuss on the HVAC transformation, how the HVAC industry is transformed over a period of time and where we are now. Before starting, I just want to, So what is digitalization? So to understand this in a simple way, so I'll just take you to around 10 to 15 years back. So most of us know that still be remembering that letters or documents, what we are sent through post office or courier services. So later, after arrival of the computers and the other devices like mobile phones and all, so we started changing from the postal devices to postal letters to the courier devices, and later it is changed to the emails, and now we are sending the instant messages and through the smartphones, etc. So this all are happened because of the changes in that particular field. So it is called a digitalization in what is happening in that field. So nowadays we don't even think of using a postal service or courier service unless it is a physical document is required to be sent, because digitalization saves a lot of energy and time. So similar way, so HVAC industry also changed a lot since the arrival of digitalization. In HVAC industry, if you say, I'm not sure how many of you have seen that old relay control logic panels, which is used in very long back for controlling the HUs, chiller plants, or other electrical equipments. So you can ask, you have seen the picture. It's a big relay control panel is used for controlling the equipments. The big disadvantage for this is, first of all, the size. It is very huge. And secondly, if anyone want to change the logic, then a lot of rewiring is required and it consumes a lot of time. With the arrival of DDC controllers and PLCs, all these problems are solved. Now we don't need any huge relay panels. Instead of that, a small DDC controller can be used. So advantages are, the one is that size is reduced. The second is we can write any type of logic we want to control the equipment, and it can be changed in n number of times without doing a rewiring at the field. So all this logic can be simulated or tested before implementing. So this saves a lot of time and money. The other major advantage of using this DDC controllers are, so these can be seamlessly connected to a supervisory controller or to a control monitoring software. From that, real-time monitoring is possible, where we can track and control the operating parameters. So real-time monitoring is possible. So like temperature, humidity, CO2. Also, the user can easily modify the settings to maintain the comfort level in a building. So in the next stage, if you see, these DDC controllers are again distributed to individual equipment level. Now we can see that VAVs and other end-level devices are equipped with controllers, control boards, so that these devices are independently taking decisions with the intelligence. So later, the introduction of building management system, remote monitoring, and IoT technologies came. So now we are in the era of IoT. So every equipment is coming with IoT enabled. So this is how the digital transformation happened in HVAC industry. So this slide shows the energy consumption in a commercial building. If you see, around 60 to 70% of the total energy consumption is spent on HVAC. So and the balance 20% is for the lighting and the related equipments. And balance 10% is for other usage. So now we might be understood that why we should focus on HVAC to control the energy usage in the building. and that should happen without compromising the comfort. So digitalization help us to get this achieved. So once we digitalize all the HVAC related equipments, so then it will be a huge, we will get a huge scope open. First of all, we can see the real-time data on the performance on the equipment. So that will allow us to properly control and monitor and analyze the performance of each equipment. Example, in case of an AHU, where it is maintaining the required temperature, humidity, pressure requirements, or in a conditioned space. And by integrating electrical parameters, we can see that whether the AHU is consuming the energy as designed, or any changes are there. Or if you want to make any modifications, or if you want to write any specific logics, so we can do that. So similar case for chiller plant also, almost if you see almost 70% of the HVAC energy is consumed at the chiller plants. So Trane digital solution for chiller plant optimization, cooling tower optimization. So these patented control logics, so from the Trane automation software, saves a lot of energy without compromising the comfort. So now another opportunity is the remote monitoring. So with the help of internet and cloud connectivity, so building owner can or facility manager can monitor the building operations at any point of time from sitting from anywhere of the world. So after that, the AI technologies are arrived now. So after arrival of the AI technologies, so this has given a boost to digital transformation. So with the help of AI and machine learning, so digital controls are gained the power almost equivalent to the power of human brain. Now AI can track human patterns and adjust the equipment performance itself. So it will reduce the human dependency further and optimize the energy consumption. So Trane introduced autonomous control. So it's powered by BrainBox AI, a cloud-based AI services which can optimize the building performance in a better way. So we'll just give you the details of that. So this is an AI-driven HVAC optimizer basically. It's called Trane Autonomous Control, powered by BrainBox AI. So this is introduced by Trane, which is a cloud-based service where any building with a centralized HVAC control system can be connected to this cloud-based service. So once a building is connected to a BrainBox AI, so data is fetched from the building automation system or the building, and a building model is generated at the AI, and with the help of deep neural networks, and the control algorithms are calibrated by the AI. So once this is done, then this modified control algorithms are then deployed and returned back to the building management system using the deep learning model in their calculations. So this process is continuously repeated and fine-tuned. So whenever the new data is available from the BMS. So then this can optimize the energy performance of the building and reduce man-machine interface and save a lot of time. So this is how the AI technology works for the HVAC system. So before I conclude, I just want to show some new development in the HVAC industry. So it has happened from last 2-3 years. So where the sensors and controllers become wireless now. So we don't have to lay any cables or wires between the controllers or sensors. Just with the controllers in the equipment and fix the sensors wherever we want. So there is absolutely no wiring required. So these sensors controllers basically work wirelessly, and even the external power supply is not required. Sensors comes with a small battery and it will last for 10 years. So you don't have to change the battery frequently also. And several options like temperature, RH, occupancy, CO2, these things are available. So with these technologies, we can save a lot of cost, energy.
Thank you, Mr. Sureshkumar, for highlighting about energy efficiency, remote monitoring, and control and cost saving.